Friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, that is TCS Non-Criminal Affidavit 2022. And in this video, we will see who can be your witness. And along with that, we will discuss all the steps that you have to follow to fill your TCS Non-Criminal Affidavit. And we will also discuss which stamp paper you can use or which you cannot. Now, from where you can download this NCA, that is Non-Criminal Affidavit. For that, you have to follow a path. First of all, you have to go to TCS Next Step portal. After that, you have to go ILP corner, then go to first day at TCS, and then from joining formalities, you can download this non-criminal affidavit. So friends, you have to use 100 rupees stamp paper in your non-criminal affidavit. But in case 100 rupees stamp paper is not available, then you have to use 250 rupees stamp paper. And on both the stamp paper, you should print some content. However, it may be few lines, but it must be there on the stamp paper. And in case you are using 50 rupees stamp paper, it should be available on both the pages. Now we will see the steps that you have to follow to fill this non-criminal affidavit. Whereas I, an adult Indian inhabitant, here you have to write your name, and after that residing at, here you have to mention your address, have been selected by Tata Consultancy Services for employment as. Here you have to mention your designation. If you are assistant system engineer, then you have to write that, and if you are graduate trainee, then you have to write that, whatever it may be. And you can find your designation in your offer letter. It must be clearly written in your offer letter. And after that, offer letter dated. So here you have to write your offer letter date. And most of the candidate by mistake here fill joining date. And it may be due to the reason in all the blanks where date is asked in service agreement, date of joining is to be filled. But here you have to fill offer letter date. And here you have to leave it as it is, and or portion also you have to leave it. But in case you have experience and you are not a fresher, then you have to fill it. And after that, in witness whereof I have put my signature on undertaking on this date. So here you have to mention date of filling. On which date you are filling, you have to write here. Now signature of candidate. So here you have to write your signature. And here name of candidate. You have to write your name here. TCSL offer reference number. So here you have to write your CTDT number. Place. You have to write name of your place, whatever it may be, either Delhi, Meerut or whatever it may be. Now date 28 Feb 2022. You can write the date of filling. Now witness, signature of witness. Here your witness has to do the signature. And here will be the name of your witness. Here will be the address of your witness. And here will be place. Here will be date of filling. And all these portion can be filled by you, but signature should be done by your witness only. And you can follow the same for witness too. And you have to keep one thing in mind, that witness can be anyone, but that person should not be from your family. He may be your friend, he may be your teacher, he may be your neighbor, but he should not be your family member. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel IT India.